Alright. What time are we rocking here today? A little bit earlier than normal. But we're gonna get going. Alright. Don't beep at me. Almost 7. 10 to 7. I don't know if you guys can see me very well, but today we're starting a little earlier. And there's just days that you have to, when you gotta get stuff done. Even if you have no motivation to get up early, which that's me today. I didn't have motivation to get up today early. Yesterday wasn't a very motivating day. I don't know what's going on. I'm just lacking some motivation right now, even though I'm working on some cool stuff. We're gonna get through it though. And that's what matters, is pushing through the times when you're lacking motivation. So let's get going. Let's have a good day. God is good. We definitely got to do this because it's cold. All right. I have not had a coffee today. A little weird. This is what happens when you don't like the crappy coffee your workplace has. You make AeroPress. Those are tiny little stickers. All right, more DTFs. There we go, hit clean on that. Get this guy ready to go. We're almost there. Just that one had issues today, so. All right, got a little transit band in here for some decals, but we're gonna give it a quick wash so it's ready to install. Tobias is going to be cutting these and weeding them, masking them, getting them ready to go here soon while I get the DTFs going. But I figured while he's doing that, while my DTF is cleaning, I can also get this guy washed and ready to install. So let's go. Just gonna do a quick clay bar on this thing. Did this side already. I'll do the back and then the other side here. The reason I do clay bar is to get all this stuff off. There's always little contaminants stuck on stuff that can translate through graphics if not cleaned off. So quick clay bar and then alcohol wipe and we're ready to install. This is the difference before clay barring and after. tell the difference from here. Hit print on all of these guys. This one's just about done. We got a full hockey picture here. Just about finishing that one, and then it'll start printing these ones. Alright, here's another one of them. As you can see, the full print, and then looks transparent, and then you put the backing on it, and then it ends up looking like, well, we'll see if I can do this. I should have stacked these side by side. They look bigger on here at the moment, so it is what it is, I guess, this time.